In this tutorial for bridge lists, I'll show you how you can further refine your vocabulary list using the Options pane. Here I've made a vocabulary list for the first few sentences of Caesar's Gallic Wars. But say I wanted to further refine my list. I click on the Filter or Options pane. That'll bring up a number of options. I can print. That brings up a normal print dialog. I could also export as a CSV. This will be great if you want to import your vocabulary list into Excel or another spreadsheet program. By default, any vocabulary words that you've excluded are not shown, but you can click on Toggle Running Lists to show all words. You can also hit the toggle All and None to remove all lists, to remove all words, and then you can add in certain parts of speech. For example, here are the adjectives, or just nouns. You can also refine further. So let's say you don't want all nouns, but only third declension nouns. There you go. Add them back if you like. And you can also add them all by clicking again. You could add verbs, some nouns, whatever combination you think is most appropriate for your needs as you read the passage or prepare. You can also filter by other categories, so let's add all the words back and now remove proper nouns and adjectives. There they go, and now they're back. The regular adjective and adverb filter will allow you to remove those words that are formed regularly. Finally, stop words are the most common words in Latin. You can also add or remove information to your table. So, by default, you'll see principal parts with macrons and a short definition, or for some text, a local definition. But you can add principal parts without macrons. There you go. You can also remove columns that were already there. You could add a short definition, a long definition, remove definitions you don't want to see. You can also show just the simple word without the principal parts. There we go. Or add parts of speech, and also links to the Logaon, and links to the Logaon and Forcellini dictionaries. You can also add total count of the words in text, sort the columns if you like. You can also add the count in the selection. So here we see 25 words overall in the text, but only 3 times in the selection. Finally, you can add order of appearance. Where does it appear for the first time? And that's going to allow you to resort. And if you have multiple texts, you can see source text. Here, because we're only looking in Caesar's Gallic Wars, it's pretty straightforward. And there you go. Happy reading.